city of magic, the city of wonders, the city of wisdom, power, and culture, the city of extraordinary history and extraordinary people. You all are explorers here, searching for something meaningful, something extraordinary, something powerful. And any exploration is a journey, a series of questions. Every street, every house, every person tells a unique story here. I have seen so much over the years. I am as much alive as all of you are. Everything that you see here is a reflection of past and present. Come and explore me. Come and see me. Come and witness me. Come and feel me. I am the heart of this city. I am Vault City.